description. So firefighter. How can we match uh, on which description can match with the firefighter? Firefighter. Firefighter. Can you match, dear students? Those who are alive, can you match this? The firefighter. Number one matches with which letter? Firefighter. Can you tell me, can we match this word, this career and description? First, let me try to help you to match number one. The first one, firefighter is a firefighter. 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 Number D, a person whose job is to stop fires burning. That is firefighter. Firefighter. Okay, I give you other meaning. I give you one meaning as to match surgeon and tell me number two. Which letter does it match with? Number two. Which letter does match with number three? Which letter does match with number 4? Which letter does match with number 5? So try to tell me, try to show me. So dear students, tell me in the comment. How can we match these words? How can we match with these careers and their descriptions? I see the 3 students are live. Can you tell me in the comment? Can you tell me in the comment? All right, perfect. Let us correct the questions. Surgeon is kind of doctor who cuts into the body to remove diseased parts or to set right broken bones. That is surgeon. So the 2 matches with letter I, a doctor who cuts into the body to remove diseased parts or to set right broken bones. Number 3, pilot matches with number G. Pilot is somebody who flies an airplane. Office manager matches with number E. It is somebody whose job is to manage part of all of our company or other organization. That is office manager. Actor it matches with number A. A man or a boy who acts in play or films. Number 6 is artist. Artist matches with number C. It is a person who's good at painting, drawing, and making beautiful things. Number 7 is postman. Postman matches with number F. Postman matches with number F. It is a person who brings letters, parcels, and telegrams. Number 8, teacher matches with H. H is a person who teaches. That is teacher. So number 9 is archaeologist. So archaeologist is matches with number B. Person who studies ancient societies. A person who studies ancient societies. It is historian. one who studies ancient societies. So the next one is pianist. Pianist is a person. So number is the piano. Vet. vet vet is matches with number n. Vet, the person whose job is to treat sick animals. The person whose job is to treat sick animals. So librarian matches with l. The person who checks in and out books and gives advice on what to read. So the next one is chief. Matches with m. A person whose job is to cook in a restaurant is a chief. So the last one is minor. Matches with k. A person who gets cool from the underground. So dear students, these are the careers and their descriptions. So I hope you have studied them and you are ready to do this exercise. So here we have exercise. You have to complete the following sentences with counselor, vet, skin, poet, programmer, firefighter, teacher, and engineer. So you complete the gaps with the correct word. All right, are you ready for the exercise? Okay, tell me. Designs computer programs, while designs and build different buildings. So the first gap, which word can we put in? And the second gap, which word can suit to complete this one? All right, that's all. Tell me in 1 minute. So I really encourage you to subscribe if you like our lesson. If you it's the first time, so if you like our lesson, you can also click like. You can write in a comment and show us that you are interested in this lesson. You can also tell me that the career that you are not familiar with, that you don't know the meaning, so I can help you to get the meaning of that career. All right, so number one, let me answer the exercise. I'm waiting for your answers, so let me try to answer the exercise. So you can say a programmer designs computer programs, while engineer designs and build different buildings. So number two, composes a poem, while writes book. So I've forgotten one word here. There's other word is author. I've forgotten one word here. So I've forgotten one word here. That is author. That is author. So the author. So poets composes a poem, while author writes books. Dermatologist is a doctor of skin, while ophthalmologist is a doctor of what? Is a doctor of no. The ophthalmologist. Oh, right. I've forgotten another word here. It's eyes. So The dermatologist is a doctor of skin, while ophthalmologist is a doctor of eyes. Firefighter extinguishes the fire, while vet treats sick animals. Teacher teaches students, while counselor advises them what to choose. So thank you very much, dear students. This is our lesson of today. So we have been learning on career and describing them, different jobs and their descriptions. So dear students, I hope you have learned many things from this lesson. I hope you have learned many vocabulary from this lesson. So, and I really apologize for the previous minutes when the audio, the sounds was not quite. So I've solved the issue, so I can read fastly to remind you what you have learned. So we have seen list of verbs and descriptions. Number one, we have seen doctor. Doctor is the person who treats sick people and prescribes medicine and performs medical checkup. Number two, nurse. Nurse helps the doctor and cares for patients, gives injections, and assists doctor in hospitals. So teacher teaches students in schools or universities and prepares lessons. Engineer designs and builds things like roads, bridges, machines, and software. Lawyer defends people in courts and gives legal advice. Police officer protects people, catches criminals, and enforces the law. The next one is pilot. Pilot flies airplanes and helicopters to transport passengers and goods. Farmer grows crops like maize, beans, or rice and raises animals. Driver is a person who drives a car, buses, or trucks to transport people or goods. Chief is a person who cooks food in restaurants, in hotels, and creates new dishes. Accountant is a person who keeps financial records, prepares budgets, and manages money. Journalist is a person who writes or reports news for newspaper, TV, or radio. Architect is a person who designs the house, schools, and scientist is a person who studies and experiments to discover new knowledge. So we have seen electrician, and electrician is a person who installs and repairs wires, electrical wires, lights, and machines. Soldier is a person who works in the army to defend and protect the country. Tour guide is a person who shows visitors around and explains tourist attractions. Artist is a person who is good at painting. He paints or she paints pictures, draws, or creates sculptures. Software developer creates apps, websites, and computer programs. Entrepreneur is a person who starts up and manages their own business. All right, so at the end you have the exercise to match these words and their definition. So dear students, I encourage you to learn these careers, and know each careers. So advise your students who are in senior 3 to choose one of the career which fits them. So prepare them to choose the career they like, capable for. So dear students, you can share this lesson to senior 3 students, because this lesson will help them on unit number 1, the unit 1 which talks about careers. So maybe they have given them a homework or assignment, so help them to do this assignment by using this lesson. Share to your friends so that we can learn together. So I love you so much, dear students. See you next time. But show me if you are interested in this lesson. Show me. Are you interested in this lesson, dear students? Are you in? Hi, dear students. Write in the comment, hi, show me that you are interested in this lesson. Write a motivative word to show me that you are interested in this lesson. So, remember that Language Booster TV is here to help you to learn English, Kinyarwanda, and Kiswahili at any level. We can help students who are at school. We can help parents who want to learn English. We can help different people in different kind of jobs to learn English that can help them. So this one aims to help senior 3 students to learn the unit 1. So not only senior 3 students, so English learner, you can learn vocabulary about jobs and careers. So dear students, let us, I really appreciate the time I have spent. I appreciate your patience, and I really apologize for inconvenience. So the sounds was not good at the beginning, and maybe the connection was not